Okay, so here's our game code. We have our initialization, we have our height, width, we create our screen. These are our up, down, left, right. You guys should have a character that moves up, down, left, right on screen. That's about it. We have our player grass castle images. And then we have our running code. These two for loops do what again? With the grass?
They import the size of the grass.
In general, what do they do?
They put the grass in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they tile it.
Oh, right.
So that's specifically what these two lines do. Again, if you have an image that is the size of your screen or bigger, you can just split the image at 0, 0 and not have to do this. This is only if your image is smaller than your screen. The dimensions for our grass image is 100 by 100, and our screen is 640 by 480. Make sense? So if you have something that's the same size or bigger, you're fine. We then split our castles. Now we have our player, then we update the screen. This, you guys should see, this should make a little bit more sense now. So we have different conditions. So if our health of our player is less than 50, we now have, we use a different image. If our speed power up is true, we change different variables. If our level is 1, we have a different screen for our background. If our XP is 10, this is how we get to level 2. So this is similar to like if our bad guy image is an ant, these are the variables that we're going to use. Does that make sense? Okay. And then this is just how we move. Right? All that is how we move. Player speed, oh yeah. Player speed here. This is how you, like I said, with your power-ups, you can change your player speed. But for now, we're just going to leave that hard-coded. But in your game, if you want your player speed to change, that 5 will have to be a variable. And then during your game loop, you have to change the 5. You have to change that. Yes, Lauren.
This may be getting a bit ahead, but say I wanted to do a speed boost or a running mode. If you hold down the right arrow for like 3 seconds and then on, you want it to increase speed to 7. How would you do that? Would you like have a timer countdown and then when timer equal like 3 or 0? And then it would increase your speed?
That's exactly it.
Oh, okay.
I always do this. All right, whatever. We only have a few minutes anyway. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to copy this code for our castle. We're going to go bad guy underscore image. And then let me just check the file name. It is, for you guys, bad guy.
Instead of castle?
Instead of castle, it's bad guy. So I'll leave that up for you guys. I'll see if I can find.
What did you call the variable again? Just bad guy?
Bad guy image.
What in the world?
You guys all got it?
Not quite.
Okay.
Wait, what's the thing actually called?
Bad guy image. Bad guy.png. All right. So you can also have a bad guy images, and this can be a list of. So you could have this be bad guy. Don't copy this down. Image 1, bad guy, image 2. And you can have bad guy image 1 be the badger. You can have bad guy image 2 be the raccoon. Bad guy image 3 be the ant. Bad guy image 4 be the gopher. And then you just have a list of all of those images put together. And then this is where you use that list to randomly generate it. So, okay. So what we're going to do is before for event in Pygame, we're going to do our Badtimer. So we need to add our Badtimer. And what this will do, and we haven't defined Badtimer yet, so I get that. But we're going to Badtimer is less than or equal to 0, just like we did in the code we were just working on. If our Badtimer, where is it?
It's down. Oh, no, it's up.
Here it is. Badtimer is 3. So if Badtimer is less than or equal to 0, this is how we spawn our characters. So if our Badtimer is less than or equal to 0, we need to append our bad guys. So bad guys dot append. And in this game, all of our bad guys are just x and y coordinates. So we're going to go random.randint 6. Oh wait, hang on. Okay.
Do we really need a random X for the?
It should be a random y. So just write this first. So it should be 640 comma random.randint 50 to 430. 640 is just, we're going to spawn it right off screen because the width of our screen is what?
I think like 600.
It's 640.
Oh, yeah.
So the left side, so the right side of our screen, right? So if this is the right side, for you guys it'd be backwards, but just imagine the right side of your screen is the leftmost side of your image, right? So if this is my phone is the image. I'm spawning it right off screen. For you guys, it'd be like this. So if this is your screen, it's right off screen, about to move that way. So it's right off screen, randomly along the image, randomly along the y-axis. That's why this is a random int. So randomly, it's going to select a place along the left side, and then we're going to have it move over. Well, that's it. So we didn't get that far in the game, but we'll go over that on Monday. I don't even think I'm going to upload that video. But yeah, that's it.